Hello, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing well. My name is Curtis and you're watching Positive Breaks, where we stay positive and break open something new. So today in this video, we're going to be opening up this Platinum Blaster of Bowman 2021. I watched so many videos of this last year, and when it came out, I was so excited about it. There are 8 packs in here, and I just had to get my hands on one, so I did. I've been sitting on it for a long time just because I've got a lot of stuff been going on lately, and I just really wanted to break into these. 32 total cards here, so this shouldn't be too long of a rip, but I am excited to bust into this. So let me run my quick intro, and we'll break right into this. So here we go! Alright, so you guys know me, I like to save my boxes, so I'm going to carefully cut this with my box cutters here, try to find a good spot that I can slice it real good. And let's see what this box has in store for us. Goodness gracious. There we go. These cards, if I remember correctly, just looked absolutely amazing. So I'm excited to break into these. Here we go. These are 2021, so look for the 2021 rookies here. That's what we got inside. Handful of packs. Mostly I'm just looking for that shine, that shimmer, the beautiful stuff that comes in this product. Where's the best spot for this box? Let's put it up here in the corner. Or smack down the middle. Maybe that'll be better. I don't know. Let's put it in the corner. That's where I like it. So that's where it's going to go. Alright, let's break into these. I feel like it's got like air bowl in it. So here we go. These packs don't want to rip. These are the ones we gotta just break the seal and go down the seal. Alright, look at that. Very first pack, very first card is Alec Bowman. Really, really cool. Let's see if I can't get that rainbow on there. There you go. Amazing looking cards. Let's go look at the back. May have been a while since you guys saw these cards. That's what the back looks like. For some reason, I don't think that we're in focus. Are we in focus? Alright, so Alec Bowman. These look like they're all going to be rainbow foil. That's really, really cool. We've got a Dason Brown for the Blue Jays. Oh, look at this. Wow. Matt Chapman for the A's. That is such an amazing looking card. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just laying them out. And a Bryce Harper. Alright, so we've got rookies, really amazing looking cards, and our regular base. Should I call it rookies and hits? I'm going to put some Cardinals cards in this spot. Manny Machado. Umar. Alec Bowman again. Renowned rookies. How pretty is that card? That is pretty neat. And Buster Posey. Who knew that was going to be his last season? Yeah, I just can't get over how great these cards look. Maybe this video, regular length video, but it takes me so long to open a pack. Austin Meadows. Mason Martin. Really, really cool stuff. Here's another one of those shines. ice. Does it tell you on here? There we go. 4 exclusive ice foils. I guess it must be the ice. That just looks so amazing. Hopefully one of the next 2 are the full core guarantees. It's going to be like a Cardinals player. That'd be amazing. And a rookie card of Ha-Seong Kim for the Padres. Feels great just having 4 cards in a pack. I don't normally get this high-end stuff. I'm used to having lots of cards in the pack. There we go. Ian Anderson, that's a really nice card. The Braves, there's that rainbow in there. Pretty cool. Rookie card there. Grab 2 cards or 1 card? Freddie Valdez. These cards, some of them, this one feels thicker than the rest. There we go, and Evan White. Rookie card. Meteoric, is that what that's supposed to say? Meteoric. Pretty neat. And Vladdy Jr. Well, if you're new to my channel, I want to thank you for coming and thank you for checking it out. I would invite you to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. We have a Jazz Chisholm, and my wife just pulled in, so hopefully she doesn't make too much noise. Nick Madrigal, really, really cool stuff. Sixto Sanchez, I like Sixto. This pack had 2 rookies. 3 packs left. Mookie Betts. I'm not who's gonna like that card. I'm not gonna try this guy's name. Good luck, Carmen. What is this? Cespedes, that's pretty neat. It's a pretty cool card. But these ice cards. But Merrifield, that pack had no rookies. Alright, so we're looking for another ice. Hopefully it can be a Cardinal. It's okay if it's not. I didn't check the checklist, so I don't know which Cardinals are in this release, if any of them. Charlie Blackmon. I imagine there's at least a player from every team. Jimenez. Here it is. Casey Martin with the Phillies. Shortstop. Pretty cool. Andres Jimenez. Rookie card. And one more pack. Here we go. Chris Sale with the Red Sox. Oh, that made it worse. There we go. We got Dingler, Dylan Dingler. We got a green for the Brewers. Perez, a green ice. How cool is that? Is this numbered? This card is not numbered, but it is a green, and that is really, really cool. And a Joey Votto. Alright, so let's do a quick recap of our rookies over here. Just gonna flip through them real fast for you. I can name them all for you. Really cool cards. That Ian Anderson's pretty nice. These 2 Alec Bohm cards are really awesome. And I'll flip through these quick ices over here. This green ice is so cool. You can see the swirls. Nice. Casey Martin, Cespedes, Nick Madrigal, Tanner Burns, and Matt Chapman. Alright, so I had really fun time ripping open these cards. Again, here's the box, 2021 Bowman Platinum. So my name is Curtis. Stay positive, break open something new. Bye!